In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Zoom. This is a simple tweak that can save you from awkward moments, whether you're fixing a typo, switching to a preferred name, or adding clarity for a work or class meeting. I'll walk you through 2 moments when you can update your name: before you join a meeting and after you're already in one. First, before you join a call, Zoom gives you a chance to set your display name. As you click a meeting link or get ready to join from the app, you'll see a join or preview screen. On that screen, look for the field that shows your name. Click into it, type the name you want others to see, and you're set. This name will appear to everyone once you enter the meeting. It's a good habit to double check it here so you look polished from the start. Now, if you've already joined the meeting and notice something you want to change, you can update it on the spot. At the bottom of the Zoom window, click Participants to open the list of everyone in the meeting. In that panel, find your own name. Hover over it or tap if you're on a smaller screen, and you'll see a 3 dots icon, sometimes labeled More. Click that menu, then choose Rename. A small box will pop up where you can enter your new display name. Type it exactly the way you want it to appear, and confirm by pressing Enter or selecting the Rename button. Your updated name will show immediately to everyone in the meeting. A couple of quick notes to help you get the most out of this. Changing your name here updates only your display name in the current meeting. It doesn't expose any personal details and doesn't change your account permanently. In some cases, the meeting host may choose to disable renaming for participants. If you don't see the rename option, that's likely why. In that case, you can ask the host to enable it or update your name for you. That's all there is to it. Set your name before you join for a smooth entrance, or use the Participants panel and the 3 dots menu to rename yourself after you're in. With these quick actions, you can present yourself clearly and professionally in every Zoom meeting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you feel more confident navigating your next call.